husband comes home for dinner and he asks you what you made.
What are we doing today, Ashna?
We're making the incredibly cursed egg cake.
Can you show me what the incredibly cursed egg cake is? Pull out your phone.
Get my phone.
I found this thing on Twitter. Zoom in. It is literally eggs steamed. Yes, that's what we're making today. And why are we making such a weird cake?
Because we have 30 eggs.
No, we have 40 in the fridge.
40 eggs in the fridge.
What are we doing first?
Okay, so I'm getting the pan ready, then filling it with water, because we're gonna put one of these ramekins in the water so that the eggs steam. I don't know how many eggs we're gonna need. Oh my god, this egg is already cracked. We're gonna use
that
this
one.
egg.
We're not even eating it.
I might eat it. I might make a. Oh no, I'm gonna break this egg. Okay. Oh, it's frozen. Can I use it still?
Well, it doesn't matter. We're not gonna it doesn't need to be beautiful. It's already incredibly
It's
cursed.
frozen.
Oh my
Look at this.
gosh. Wow.
I think we should throw this one away. Should I throw it away?
That looks very cool. Is this battery dying too? Beautiful. Okay, look, we have 3 peeled frozen eggs. They're uncooked though, because they froze.
Our fridge is really, really cold, so it froze the eggs that we were gonna use. We're gonna use them anyway. I just peeled them, and I'm gonna transfer them into a greased ramekin.
Wow.
And now we're gonna put this ramekin in a pan of hot water to hopefully defrost the eggs and then steam them.
Fun fact. She's actually going to Harvard Law School.
In 3 years.
Yeah. And she's been wearing this for the past
I got it for
week.
free. Incredibly cursed egg. We're definitely gonna need another egg, but I took it.
Yeah. Okay. Great.
I'm not a comedian, Emily.
We're just boiling an egg.
Steaming.
Almost.
We're steaming.
Okay, whatever. Steaming. Wow. Do you see the steam? Wait. Even longer. Are you filming? You definitely are. You want to show your face? Wait, this thing has been steaming for how long?
I don't even know. Look at the timestamp on the last video.
Oh yeah, you smart. That's why she's going to Harvard, you guys. It's actually looking like the cake in the photo. Ooh, just like, I think it's been at least 30 minutes, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna let it continue steaming until it's like cooked all the way through. Then we're gonna cool it and then cut it and have a final reveal.
Behold. Our beautiful cursed egg cake. I'm just gonna
Plop it out. Oh,
make my knife go around the edge. It's coming pretty smooth because I greased the pan. Let's see if it comes out of the bottom though. Okay, now we're gonna flip. Our egg cake! It's very overcooked at the bottom, first of all.
I don't think you put enough oil. Or did you?
No!
No! Okay, but now we don't have to cut it.
Put it back together.
You can hear it. Egg cake. Instagram. Okay, what are your thoughts on our cake?
Can I cut it? Okay. And here we have a beautiful slice.
Oh shit!
Look at that cross section. Should I eat it?
No. Okay.
into the yolk.
I'm gonna throw up.
Okay.
You know I hate yolk.
Do you want? So stupid. That's it.
Tell the people thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.